Yeah, I got the good parts off of it right there. Got some of the other stuff here I might can use. I don't know, but some of it might can. Just got back from a steel yard. I got 2 sticks of 2x3, 3/16 rectangle frame rail, 20 foot long. I got 3 1x1 square tubing. I got 3 1/2-inch square tubing. All that stem wall. I got 3 sheets of 20 gauge sheet metal. I probably won't use all this on this car, but what's left over, I think I decided after I build this car, I'm gonna build a scratch build. I'm gonna build one out of scratch, the body and all. Make it look kind of like the 454 Rat Recon, kind of that style, scratch build. And I still got a lot of some material left over from the Falcon build and a bunch of scrap metal in the back, so I might have enough to build this one and get started on another one, who knows. Well, yeah, we got that. Hey, ball! What, Red? Got us a truckload of metal for this old rat rod. Yep, got a truckload. Tell you what, I'm fixing to go eat lunch. How about you unload that trailer while I'm eating lunch? What? Alright, bring me a piece of chicken out here. I'm starting to be a clucking out here, getting kind of hungry. By the way, that's tax off $410 you're looking at, that steel there on the trailer. So we had to add that to the price of the rat rod. I think, what, we got 1,000 in the car, 300 for the Corvette motor, 200 rear end, 100 transmission. That's 5, 6 plus 4, 2,000. We at $2,000 right now. I ain't sold none of those junky parts. Probably ain't going to. So yeah, $2,000 we in so far. Oh, good. Red got it unloaded. Good job, Red. Have a chicken leg. Yeah, so much for building a rat rod cheap. But you know, I've been thinking, since I started this collection of parts for this thing last year, that I got some couple S10 frames and some motorhome frames and some body parts that I can salvage the metal out of. I can chop up them frames and build a frame. I could chop up some hoods and fenders and get some sheet metal out of, but I don't need to do that. I want to go ahead. It's a lot easier to work with this new metal. Good straight metal, clean metal. Well, it ain't, some of it ain't real clean, but it's pretty clean. It's a lot easier to work with that, and you make a lot better job. The finished product will be a lot better, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to drop the cheap, how to build a rat rod cheap name. It's just going to be a 31 Chevy rat rod build, and we're going to see how much it costs to build it. I got to clean up my storage. I'm going to take the sheet metal and cut it in half and store it back here, like I already got one piece back there, and clean up some of this. And I got to cut these square tubing in half, except for the frame rail. I'm not going to cut them yet, so I can stand them up in the corner there like I did the other ones. But that's how I want to store my metal. I don't have no rack to store it on yet. Probably won't never have. I can lean it up in the corner. I'm happy with that. Well, yeah, we're gonna drop how to build a rat rod cheap. It's gonna be 31 Chevy rat rod build. But if you want to build one cheap, I mean, you can just follow along, and if you got a frame, you can chop it up. You can take a C-channel frame and split it down the middle and take the two pieces and make a rectangle tubing out of it. That's what I did the old 41 Rat Recon. I used a motorhome frame. It was a big C-channel. Split it down the middle. You've seen the videos of it. And take the two pieces and weld them together and make a rectangle tube out of it. And you could probably find the old running motor that runs and a transmission that works and save a lot of money. But I'm gonna rebuild the Corvette engine. I got a transmission that's supposed to be working, but I'm gonna rebuild it anyway because I want this to be a pretty nice car when I get done. I don't want to have a lot of trouble with it, and I want it to look pretty decent. And I'm gonna put some nice tires and wheels on it, you know, so that's gonna be another expense. But that's what we're gonna do. It's not gonna be how to build a rat rod cheap. It's gonna be a 31 Chevy rat rod build. And if you want to build one cheap, you can use your own imagination how to save money. That's the best way to do that. But we're gonna carry on like this with this one. All right, appreciate you.